Hi guys, I'm Ishita and welcome to my channel. So, have you ever had one of those days where you are feeling sad all day but you do not have a definitive reason as to why? We are going to discuss that feeling in this video. So, let's get started. You might have already heard that what you consume is what you become. But what you don't realize is this has happened to you more times than you realize. I think the main culprit here is the internet. We have become so integrated with it that it has become impossible to remove it from our lives. So many things depend on it. We we use it for education purposes, we use it for job purposes and a lot of other things. So it is not just entertainment. What we have to do here is become more aware of the internet and what implications it has and stop the internet from using us rather than us using the internet. I will be scrolling social media, and the more I scroll, the more it starts weighing me down. My mood suddenly drops, and I start feeling this sadness. This sadness overcomes me, and I know for sure that it is not mine. You might have also experienced this that on some days you feel sad without a reason, but if you observe closely, it is true what we consume. Sad songs, they affect us. Reality TV, it also affects us. And bad comments. Even if the comments are not on something we posted, I know we are all somewhere guilty of scrolling down to the comments of every other reel we come across. And when the comments are hateful towards the creator of the reel or towards someone else, we feel this little bit of anger in ourselves. And this anger is due to the fact that we cannot control what other people comment. This anger gives us a little bit of sadness. And later in the day, you do not realize or you do not remember where the sadness came from firsthand. And this thought process is so quick that we forget about the reasons. If you ever wish to find the reason of your sadness or anger or any other feeling, just recall back all what you did earlier in the day, all the activities you did, all the social media content that you consumed, and I feel like there will be a point where you recall back the reason for the sadness. And also, something worth mentioning is that through social media, we see these perfectly curated lives of other people. People who have already started their own family, have achieved their career goals earlier than you did, or people that are your same age but have achieved more than you, and suddenly we feel left behind. Now imagine you have a goal in life that will approximately take 2 years in completing. Maybe you have to study for it, maybe you have to find a job for it or something else. And meanwhile, you are watching someone else's lives through their social media and feeling left behind. Now, 2 years later, you have achieved that goal successfully after 2 years of difficult struggles. Now tell me who is ahead? You? Wrong. That's the catch. No one is behind and no one is ahead of you. You have your own timeline, you have your own struggles, you have your own variables in life, and you cannot compare your life or any single timeline, any single timestamp in your life, in your journey with other people, especially on social media. And I will also tell you that with the algorithm, once we watch a negative reel, some negative content that comes across our feed, suddenly the algorithm starts showing us more distressful content and maybe something in the news that is coming again and again in your feed. And it starts making you overwhelmed and sad and angry or some other negative feeling. So I will tell you to mark that reel or mark that video as not interested or I wish to view less of these videos and change your algorithm. And if you start scrolling social media, put a restriction to your own self. When you start feeling low, stop using the social media immediately and maybe watch something relaxing on the television, or maybe go to YouTube and find relaxing videos. Nothing else, just relaxing videos. Or maybe just shut it all down. If you like playing video games or physical games, other sports, just do that and it will automatically uplift your mood. As we grow more aware of our own feelings, our own reactions to things around us, it helps us in controlling our emotions and reactions to various situations. That is on self awareness. And that is all for this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I will see you in my next video.